She said that she would dance with me if I book her a red rose. But in all my gardens, there is no red rose. No red rose in all my garden. Ah, on what little thing does happiness depend? I have read all the wise men have written, and all the secrets of philosophy are mine. Yet, for want of a red rose, is my life made wretched.
Here at last he is a true lover. Night after night I have sung of him, even if I know him not. Night after night I told his story to the stars, and now I see him. His hair has dyed as the hyacinth blossom. His lips are red as the red rose of his desire. While I sing off, he suffers.
What a joy to me to him his pain. Surely love is a wonderful thing. It is more precious than emeralds, and dearer than final pearls. Pearls and pomegranate cannot buy it, nor is it set forth in the marketplace.
The musicians will sit in their gallery, and play upon the stringed instrument, and my love will dance to the sound of the harp. And the violin, she will dance so lightly that her feet will not touch the floor. And the courtiers in their gay dresses will throng around her. But with me she will not dance, for I have no red rose to give her.
Why is he weeping? He is weeping for a red rose. For a red rose? How very ridiculous! Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song. Sorry, my roses are white as the foam of the sea, and whiter than the snow upon the mountain. But go to my brother who grow around the old sun dear, and perhaps he will give you what you want. Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song. Sorry, my roses are yellow as the hair of my maiden who sits upon the amber throne. But go to my brother who rode beneath the student's window, and perhaps he will give you what you want. Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song. My roses are red, as wide as the feet of the dove, and redder than the great fan of colors that wave and wave in the ocean cavern. But the winter hath charred my face, and the frost hath nipped my buds, and the storm hath broken my branches. I shall have no roses at all this year. Only one red rose. Is there any way by which I can get it? There is a way, but it's so terrible I dare not tell you. Tell it to me. If you want a red rose, you need to beat it out of music by moonlight, and stain it with your own heart's blood. I'm not afraid. You must sing to me with your breast against a storm. All night long, you must sing to me, and the storm must pierce your heart. And your lifeblood must flow into my veins and become mine. Death is a great price to pay for a red rose, and life is very dear to hold. It is pleasant to sit in the green woods and to watch the sun in the chariot of God, and the moon in a chariot of pearl. Sweet is the scent of the autumn, and sweet are the bluebells that I in the valley, and the heather that blows on the hill. Yet love is better than life. And what is the heart of bird compared to the heart of man? Be happy, be happy. You shall have your red rose. I will build it out of music by moonlight and stain it with my own heart's blood. All that I ask you of you in return is that you will be a true lover. For love is wiser than philosophy, though she is wise, and mightier than power, though he is mighty. Flame-colored are his wings, and colored like flame in his body. His lips are sweet as honey, and his breath is like frankincense.
Sing me one last song. I shall feel very lonely when you're gone.
She sings merrily of music, and everybody knows that the arts are selfish. Still, it must be admitted that she has some beautiful notes in her voice. What a pity it is that they do not mean anything or do practical good.
Press closer, little nightingale, or the day will come before the rose is finished. Press closer, little nightingale, or the day will come before the rose is finished. Look, the rose is finished now.
You said that you would dance with me if I brought you a red rose. Here is the reddest rose in all the world.
Oh, I'm afraid it will not go with my dress. And besides, the Chamberlain's nephew has sent me some real jewels, and everybody knows real jewels cost far more than flowers.
Well, you punch my word. You're very ungrateful.
Ungrateful? I tell you that, you're very rude. And after, who are you? Only a student.
What a silly thing love is. It is not half as useful as logic, for it does not prove anything, and it is always telling one of things that are not going to happen and making one believe these that are not true. In fact, it is quite unpractical, and as in this age to be practical is everything, I shall go back to philosophy and study metaphysics.